At Javelin, we have a tried and tested method for developing big projects. We start with a phase we call Inception. Inception lasts just a couple of weeks. This is where we sit down with the Majestic team and learn as much as we can about the Majestic business. After Inception, we move into a more detailed process called Elaboration. This is where we create a full specification for the new website.
My role on the project is business analyst, which means it's my job to understand all of Majestic's requirements and then translate that into the functionality our developers will then build. I do this by creating wireframes, which are like a rough plan of every page on the website drawn as simple boxes. They don't look as fancy as the final site, but they give us a good foundation for what to build and then very handy later on for when we're doing testing. One of the big challenges with the project is that we want to improve the way that the website manages stock. So rather than just seeing one list for the entire country, customers should be able to tell us where they're shopping and then just see what's available locally. The problem is, when do we ask them? Do we do it when they first come onto the website? Do we do it when they add something to their basket? Or should we do it when they go into checkout? What we did was look at how other people have implemented this kind of feature to work out what the best practice was. We then looked at how to make this fit with Majestic's existing process and what the customers are used to. It's taken quite a lot of work, but I'm really pleased with what we've come up with.
I'm the technical architect for the project, so my job is to plan the technical side of things. I figure out how we're going to implement all of the team's ideas and brief the individual tasks the developers we've got working away on the Majestic site at the moment. There have definitely been some interesting challenges with the Majestic project. You guys have some pretty complex rules and processes for your checkout, with minimum purchases, gift solutions and multi-buy discounts. You've got all sorts of things going on. What's good is that with all this complexity, we can still find some new things to do that customers should really appreciate. We're adding PayPal as a payment option, which will make it easier for customers to check out on their mobiles and also allow them to pay for orders online and then collect in store.
At El Nero, we've been designing the new Majestic website. Our role on the project has really been about taking the wireframes that Chris produces, adding lots of bells and whistles to them, and turning them into something that looks great. We've really enjoyed working with the Majestic brand and finding ways to bring your personality as a business to life online.
We've got a really cool new look for individual store pages so that news, events and tastings really stand out.
The new site adds recommendations to product pages that hopefully comes close to the quality of advice that you offer customers in store.
And we've made it easier for customers to share their favourite wines with their friends via social networks.
The site's been designed to work just as well on a PC, tablet or a mobile phone. That way your customers will have no excuse to not shop Majestic wherever they are.